Hello everybody, here is a new collection and it's the second collection of 2021. It's for March and it's called Be Kind. Be Kind is colorful again. I think the pandemic and everything brought me into creating very colorful collections, and I have a lot of beautiful artsy papers in this collection, very nice frames, word arts. You get everything as totally different bundles, so you can really mix and match everything how you like to have it. We have a painter's toolbox, we have the a pocket pages kit, we have an artsy kit in different combinations. So let's go and click through the folders, and we start here with the artsy bits and pieces folder. You get here some artsy bits. Those roses are created or painted by myself, and they come up also on a paper. And we have here different kinds of artsy bits, and you get also such white ones. They are not much to see, but like dots, little ornaments, whatever. Then we have a lot of birds. Love them because they will give you kind of a free emotion on your layouts. And then we have a color swatch, some sprinkles, then some cut out frames, and also some geometric shapes, different colors here. These are the ones which you saw on top in white, so they are here in black. And then we have some paint banners here. You can add here words if you want, or just as a decor element. And you get here really different ones. You can add a date, some words or whatever. Some text we have here, and those vellum cutouts here as well. They are really nice here. Then we have some Dymo word art stripes. The next pack are the bits and pieces. So these are the realistic elements, if you love them. And you have here some book plates, bottle caps, a lot of bows. We have some butterflies in it, buttons a lot. I really added a lot of buttons. Then such metal clips, pins, whatever. And now we have some flowers. So we have paper flowers, realistic flowers, really pinkish ones, and some gems, also different ones. So you can really add a little bit of glam on your pages. Then we have a greenery packs, not packs, files, different ornamental frames, some paper bits to stack up a cluster or anything like that, peacock feather, pinwheel, sequins, ribbons, stitches, threads, some vintage flowers. And then also here we have some word bits. The next pack are the out of the box frames, and these are layered PSD files. And when you open them, you get a layered PSD file, and with it you can add, for example, a photo. This is how it works. Let's see how fast we can do that. So we take those tools here, creating some Easter eggs here. Okay, it needs a little bit So the out of the box frames are pre-created mask frames. However, for it you need to pick your photo and then you clone it with Command J and place it on top of the upper mask and clip it, and then your out of the box frame is ready. And we're gonna see how it will later look like. And you get here 3 different ones, all with the watercolor mask here. And then we have a pack with paper bits. You get some notes like this one, and then the same one as a frame. And we have here this letter, and also here you can add a photo if you want. This one, this is how can I say, it's like a card, a Pantone card. You can add here some text or use it however you want, and same here as a photo frame. And here different note cards, and I have here those cards as you can edit them, overwrite them, change the color if you want, choose the color you want, and then you can overwrite here the text, change the font how you like it. And also the font I have here I have added here for you the link to the font if you want to use the same font here on the edible note pads. Okay, and then I have some pins in wood. Then we have some different tapes, washi tapes here, very realistic because they have a nice shadowing. So when you add them, and they are seamlessly and a little bit of transparency is there as well. So this is the paper bits back. Then we have the pack with the word arts. You get 2 different versions. We have the plain version, this is how they look like, and then the other pack is filled with sticker style, so you have a outline around it. When you open it, you can see there's a white outline with a little bit of a drop shadow, and this is how they look like. Be kind, beautiful. So nice word arts for you. And yes, 2 different versions. The paper mix, this is new. I decided now to create not the 8 by 11 inch letter size papers this time. I have the 9 by 12 ones, so they are a lot bigger, but you can also use them in a smaller version. That's why I will create in the future now the 9 by 12 version, so they are better scalable and usable for yes, bigger templates or bigger print products, whatever you want to use them. This is how they look like. You get 9 different 9 by 12 papers, and then I have here the artistic pages, papers, and I had so much fun to create them, and didn't do them those kind of papers since a longer time. So these are really, I really love them. I love the texture on top of them, and this is how they look like. Love that one here with the white gesso and then the splashes of pink. And these are also realistic. And then we have here some artsy papers with different texture and gesso on top of it. Then we have some peeled wood type papers. Also, I love that one. Another one, and then we have then we have the pattern papers. Those stripes. This one, some with flowers. Those strips here. Another one with flowers. Here's the orange, very prominent, and feathers. And then we have the solid papers, black, pink. This is like acrylic paint. Then we have this pinkish, lavender, turquoise, and some neutral colors as well. So you get a huge pack with I think 42 papers here in it. Pocket pages. We have here this time these cards, and they only come in, well, only in 3x4. And then we have 2 cards with 6x4 as well. Then we have the flairs. I really love them. I think they are powerful. I don't know if that's the right word, but really love them, how they turned out. This big black one here is pretty cool. And then we have the planner bits. Planner bits also come here with in 2 versions. We have the plain versions, and then we have a sticker version. This is how the plain version looks like. So only the sticker itself, and then we have a sticker style around it with a drop shadow and this white thick stroke around it. And this is how it looks like. So we have some months here, we have years, to-do list, December, don't forget, done, flowers here, Friday, so all the dates and weekdays, months. Pretty nice to use for anything if you want to create or use planners, or for your project lives. Some planner bits pattern. This is the planner bits pack, and there are over 160 pieces in for sticker version, and then another 160 plus in the clean version. Painter's Toolbox, we have the free colors here, and then we have the masks. They are painted, so you can use them as mask. You can use them to create your own kind of papers, combined with the styles. Maybe you can use them as clipping mask. You can use a brush and give them some details. So let's open here quickly this paper, and then we go back to the mask. Maybe that one. Just drag and drop, and I'm sure I have the styles here. So this is how you can use it, or you can also use those masks as mask for any images. Have I closed it? The pixels. We use here the same. So this is how the mask itself is used, and then you can maybe go down to those more ornament. drag and drop, place it just underneath. Also here you can use then one of the styles, and out of the box do look like that on a page. Okay, so these are the mask, and then we have the style mix, and the style mix contains from the papers bits, and these are seamless, the styles, so you can use them wherever you want to, and especially on, well, yes, those kind of masks, but also you can use one of the artsy bits, for example. You can drag them and then add here a style on this one or this. Drag and drop that. Also here, any style you want. Okay, so this was now a really quick overview of the collection, and here are some layouts from my team. I really love to see these kind of beautiful, colorful, happy, especially happy layouts they've created the last week. Really proud of my team. They used the templates from this collection, and I will show them in another video. So this is it. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope we're gonna see us in the next one. Stay safe, take care of you, wear a mask, and we're gonna see us. Happy scrapping. Bye.